Mga kagwang, welcome to my channel.
Mga lingkuran sa dito. Ini salah satu. Saya lingkuran itu. Watch it. Diyan kami magpunta mga kagwang. Luau. Masuk kan? Masuk dulu. Atbang sa hotel. Atbang sa hotel. Wala mo lang atbang. Ato ko yan. Yeah. You're right. Kita? Yan na yung bus sakyan namin mga kagwang pupuntang Luau.
What is it?
Burnaby.
Three of you. Okay, let's
Yeah.
start.
Come on, go, come on.
Sa likod ta, sa likod ta. Sa likod ta.
With the word aloha. Okay, tell you what, I'm gonna give you a crash course on how to say aloha properly in Hawaii. You need to put more feelings behind those alohas, and I'm asking you to explain something in Hawaii. We have a tradition. If I greet you with a big warm welcome aloha, you have to do the same return. And just keep in mind that we are going to party. That's fire. That's what I'll do. Okay, now before I get things started, there is one other very important person I would like to introduce to you. Who's driver. Where if on the left side of your ear, that means you're spoken for, that you're taken because you wear your on the left hand. You got it right. Yeah, if we're on the right side, that means you're single and available. Yeah, now if you wear floss on both sides of yours at the same time, that just means that you're taken but still looking to upgrade. Fix and drive that course. And I'll tell you what, I know the cousins that are sitting in the front half of the bus, you haven't had a chance to meet or even greet your new cousins that are sitting. I see not a single ABC store in sight. How about that? Yeah, there is nobody out here that can tell us how much noise we can make it in front of that family. Once we come to a stop, please stay seated. When I call your name, come forward to collect your packet. Also, when you approach this area, you can notice there are tables set up to the right. Those are for guests that are driven out and need to check in. We're taking care of the bus. We're just like the bus. Please do not stop.
Oh, isang food. Alright. Karating lang namin dito sa location mga kagwang.
You guys want there's two lines, one and two. There's two lines. Wow, nice. Oh, you did it.
Mga ano lang mga kitchen nila mga kagwang. Umo. Umo.
Go down to the river, grab a bunch of rocks, place them inside of the fire, let the rocks burn for a few hours. Once the rocks is red, hot, and ready, we can go ahead and move on to step number 3, where we place the food on top of the rock. So, with that being said, take out your cameras. Our men are gonna demonstrate step number 3, where we place the food on top of the rocks. Now, what they're removing, these are all banana stumps. All the leaves you see here in the umu, these are all banana leaves. We cut down an entire banana tree. We use the stumps, we use the leaves for our cooking. Once you remove the stumps, you use a large piece of stick, you flatten out the rocks, so that way it's ready for all the food to get thrown in. Now, in our menu tonight, my friends, first thing we have is the green bananas. It's what we call fa'i. Everyone say fa'i. We remove the skin. It looks like this. Now, the green bananas is what we use for starch. Many of you use rice and potatoes. We like to use green bananas as starch. You're going to see our men place that all on top of the rocks. Next we have is the fish. Our fish, my friends, we season with coconut milk. Remember back then, no salt, pepper, ketchup, mustard, none of that. We season all our food with coconut milk. So what we do earlier, we were scraping out the meat from the coconut shells. Looks like this. And then once we scrape them out, we squeeze the meat, we make the milk, coconut milk, and we season the fish with the coconut milk. You're gonna see our men place the coconut milk with the meat, with the fish, inside of the coconut shells. This is what we use as a plate in a bowl. They're gonna place this all on top of the rocks. Last, my friends, we have the chicken. We're gonna place the chicken on top of the rocks. Our chicken is wrapped in the ancient Hawaiian Reynolds foil. This one's from Costco, not Walmart. This one's. Ladies and gentlemen, aloha. Oh, one more time, guys. You guys are in Hawaii. Aloha. Yes. How many are happy to be here in Hawaii? Can I get a yes? Anybody visiting Hawaii for the first time? Make some noise.
Wala ko. Ginger. Ginger ako, ginger.
On count on 3, 2 step to your right and 2 step to your left. 1, 2, and 2 step to your right, 2 step to your left, and again, again. Great job, everybody. Give yourself a hand. The next move called Ami. Bend down low and make a big circle with your hips. Don't be shy. Don't stop and turn over your right shoulder. Over your right.
Feast. Now, during your feast, folks, we're going to be having your culture presentation. You're going to be hearing from our talented musicians right here, right behind me, getting ready to bless the stage. Once again, folks, after your culture presentation, a nice brief intermission.
Rice is life.
You want rice?
Rice is life. Kain na tayo mga kagwang. Ayan o.
Alright, my friends, hope you guys enjoyed your dinner. Before our show begins, my friends, I'm out here to share a little bit more about our culture, mainly about a very important tree. It's what we call the tree of life. Everyone say tree of life. It's a coconut tree. According to our ancestors, anything coconut tree. Many people didn't know that. In fact, Stacky brought up a growing coconut right here. This is how it looks like when it begins to grow. It'll sprout out a root like this, ladies and gentlemen. It'll begin to grow a year later, maybe up to your knees. All those high, long, beautiful trees you see around the islands, it is said to be a year, a foot. If that tree is 50 feet high, that's 50 years of growing. They take a very long time to grow. Nowadays, we can't wait that long, so we just go to McDonald's. Okay? I'm gonna open this coconut up for you guys. You guys wanna see that? That's not worth it. I'm gonna open this coconut up for you guys. You guys wanna see that? Yeah! In fact, real quick, what do you guys think we can make? Real quick. A skirt? Let's try. Might be putting on a free show, man. You can make a skirt, just gotta weave it a certain way. Now back then it gets hot, so you'd have to make yourself a fan like this. Remember back then no AC, so everybody in the village had a fan like this to cool themselves down. Cut off a branch, sharpen one end, and you get yourself a millet. Okay? First step to opening a coconut right here. First step. You kill it. Okay? First step, stab the coconut. Look at that, guys. Looking crazy. Now, second step, very important. Below that first stabbing, about 2 to 3 inches below that first stabbing, you're gonna stab it again. So about 2 to 3 inches, stab it again. Push in. It'll connect to that first stabbing, and you get one part of the coconut off. Just like that. You're gonna rub. Start slow. Don't go fast. You go fast, you're gonna get tired quickly. Okay? When you see the smoke, you pick up the speed like this. Come on, baby. Light my fire. Everyone's watching.
People, I'm add some sugar. Add some sugar
See the
to
smoke?
make it flammable.
That's fire. You want to see a bigger fire?
Yeah.
Let me go get some gasoline. All right. Now,
Pour
the
some
friction
sugar on it to make it flammable.
creates these small burning particles. Look at this. Okay, look at that right there.
Yeah.
Give it some wind. You came all the way over here to see that right there. Now to make a bigger fire, you transfer that to something dry. Yeah, very good. Somebody say it. Dry coconut husk right here. As I mentioned earlier, we call this pulu. Everyone say pulu. Pulu. Same material we use to make rope. Same material we can use to make fire. And same thing has to be dry. If it's wet, won't work. Leave it in the sun. Dry it out. Once it's dry, you transfer the particles to the coconut husk. Give it some air.
Yeah, I'm putting some sugar in it.
Everyone say fire! Fire! Everyone say afi! Afi! There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Oahu celebrated a victory at the sacrificial altar at Po'ohilo, joyfully honoring Ku, the god. Family, another round of applause. Silver gray shirt all the way in the front, in the middle. Yes, you, sir. All you have to do is to get up. How about a round of applause for this brave warrior, ladies and gentlemen, right here, creating peace in Aotearoa. Thank you, sir. Nearly 4 centuries after the Great Battle of Kipapa, a new warrior sailed to Oahu from the Big Island. Kamehameha the Great aspired to unite all the islands of Hawaii under one ruler. The final battle of his campaign was fought on Oahu in 1795.
O Kamehameha ni kaio kianu kapo kakumanava kapuali ikena e ali ino kamuola ni kapolo no.
hiki mai I kouma nawa. O vau, o ka mea nui, e hoko I ka wānana.
Kai kalama ki ina me ka hua ka I hele no kukai. A mahina ina me ia ka pola kai ka uwe I vehi. E mahina ina me kualo ke lo kapaki.
The Royal Guard of Tonga will be performing for you the Kailao or the spear dance. Ladies and gentlemen, Malo Elele, and welcome to Tonga. For the ladies of Tahiti, share with you the Tibi Tibi. You just witnessed it once again, Tibi Tibi, Tahitian style. Come on stage, please watch your step. Go ahead and space out, make sure you have enough room to move around for this one. I believe we are about ready to go. Thank you so much to all of our helpers, all of our volunteers on stage. You guys are awesome. All right. Children, you will be going first. Your time to shine. Let's see what you got. Here we go. What do you think about that, ladies and gentlemen? How about another round of applause for our children and ladies going first for you. Ladies, your time to shine, representing for the rest of the men here tonight. Men, here we go. Come on, man. Ladies and gentlemen, how about another big round of applause for our last man standing tonight? This is the new beginning is here. Congratulations. Awesome. Brother.
My wife Chanel, we're from Florida celebrating our 12th year anniversary.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Florida. 12 years. Brother. Well, we're having another round of applause for the ladies and the warriors of Samoa. Share with you the salsa and the Sibaha Patrio, the slap dance. This is Jerry Serio. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Please remain standing. Please remain standing at this time. To all of our military personnel, real fast, I promise I won't make you stand for a long time. But it is very important that you must hear this. We are very, very thankful, very grateful for people and individuals like yourself standing at this time. We want to say aloha and mahalo, a big thank you for your courage, your bravery, your sacrifice, your time, sleepless.
Pauwi na kami mga kagwang.